Hi guys. So after the recovery boot menu and BIOS, so you will start forcefully 3 times, and after that you will come these screens because of your system is not booting. So you are facing issue. So do not click the continue Windows 11. You just click to troubleshoot, and I have some command too. I will give you on description and video also. So you can apply and you can troubleshoot your system. So first click to troubleshoot and then click to advanced option, then click. And if you have a restore point, you also check and restore to your system. If you have, you can see I have a this, and select the next to restore. Otherwise, same, if you have a, then it's not restoring, so then try to command. Because of command from via command, this issue 100% resolves. Okay, so first open this and type BOOTRAC space and slash fix mbr. Okay, so you can see this operation is successfully completed. Okay, then type second boot RAC space slash fix boot, and then hit. So sometime what happened is it's coming like access denied, so no worry about it. Because of this command, last third command is very important. Okay, so let's see. Next one, boot RAC REC space slash rebuild CD. Okay, then type again boot sect space slash nt 60 sys, and then hit enter. The next command again boot rec space slash fix boot. Okay, then next command chkdask space s comma space slash f, and then hit enter. Okay, so cannot be open value for direct access, so it's okay. Then next chkdask space c column slash f space slash f, and then hit enter. So it will start some percentage, and it will detect the some Windows file corrupted to recovered and repair. It will take some time because of this is stage 1 and stage 2 is stage 3. Sometimes it will stop, just select and enter the hit enter, so it will start again. So stage first is completed, now stage 3, and it will detect 100% is completed and now stop when means 4 step complete 4 stage, and then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.